Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, then I request you to please support me by subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon to get my future notifications. Today I am presenting one creamy, that is malaidar and flavorful chicken dish. Mugh Methi Malai or chicken Malai Methi. Whatever you say, it's very easy to make, and the beautiful aroma, the texture and the taste of the chicken will make you realize that it's a restaurant style chicken dish. So let's start. So first, in a preheated tawa, I have added 2 tablespoons white oil and then we'll add the roughly chopped 5 onions into it. We need to fry these. I'm also adding 8 to 9 whole green chilies, 30 to 35 peeled garlic, 2-inch sliced ginger. Now we need to fry all this in oil for 1 or 2 minutes, and after that we'll make a smooth paste of all this. After a few minutes of sauteing, we'll add a handful of cashews, almost like 40 grams, and 3 medium-sized ripe tomatoes. Now mix everything very well. Now add little salt. Now this salt will help the tomatoes to cook fast. I have added cashews as this will help the chicken to give a malaidar or a creamy texture. Now after 5 minutes, switch off the flame, and once it cools down, take it in a mixer grinder and make a smooth paste of this. Now let's marinate the chicken pieces. Here I have taken 1.5 kg medium-sized chicken pieces. Now I will marinate this with 1 tablespoon vinegar. Now instead of vinegar, you can also add lemon juice also. Now I'm also adding salt to taste, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, and 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix everything very well. Nicely rub the chicken pieces. And now we are going to fry the chicken pieces. Now in the same tawa, we'll add 1 tablespoon oil and just slightly shallow fry the chicken pieces. Now you need to fry the chicken pieces from both the sides. Now once you are done with one side, just flip it and fry the opposite side also. Now once you see the chicken getting light golden color, just take it out from the tawa. And now we will add the fried onion tomato cashew paste directly in the oil. Now saute this for a few minutes. You can add little water if needed while sauteing. Now saute this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Now take 75 grams of curd or dahi. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder. Now give a quick mix of everything and add to the tawa. Now mix everything very well and again saute this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Add salt as per taste and sugar to balance the gravy. I am giving 2 teaspoons of sugar as this preparation is slightly spicy and little sweet in taste. Now add the fried chicken pieces and mix everything very well. Now cover and cook in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes you will see the oil is releasing from the sides. Now again mix everything once again and cover and cook for another 10 minutes. If needed, you can add little warm water for the gravy, but here I have not added any water. I am adding 2 tablespoons fresh cream to make the chicken more malaidar. Mix this very well. I am adding 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. And I'm also adding 1 handful of crushed kasuri methi. Mix everything very well. After adding kasuri methi, just switch off the flame and immediately close the lid for 1 or 2 minutes. Now this will help the flavor of kasuri methi and aroma to get into the chicken pieces. And this will help the dish more aromatic. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, then do like this video, share it and let me know your feedback in the below comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.